The question of whether artificial intelligence will replace human hackers sparks intense debate in cybersecurity circles, representing a complex interplay between technological capability and the intrinsically human elements of hacking that may never be fully replicated by machines. On one hand, AI is already transforming both offensive and defensive cybersecurity operations at an unprecedented pace, automating tasks that once required skilled human intervention and enabling attacks at scale that would be impossible for individual hackers to execute manually. Machine learning algorithms can now scan millions of lines of code in seconds to identify vulnerabilities, generate sophisticated phishing emails indistinguishable from legitimate communications, and even develop novel exploit chains by analyzing patterns across thousands of known vulnerabilities, capabilities that clearly surpass human speed and consistency in these specific areas. AI-powered tools like automated penetration testing platforms demonstrate how machine learning can outperform humans at finding common security flaws in web applications and network configurations, while AI-driven malware can adapt its behavior in real time to evade detection, modifying its code based on the defenses it encounters. The emergence of generative AI adds another dimension, with systems capable of writing functional exploit code from natural language descriptions, crafting convincing social engineering narratives tailored to specific targets, and producing deepfake audio-video that could bypass even the most sophisticated authentication systems. These developments suggest that certain technical aspects of hacking, particularly repetitive tasks like vulnerability scanning, brute force attacks, and payload generation, will increasingly become AI-dominated domains where human hackers simply can't compete on speed, scale, or cost-effectiveness. However, this represents only one dimension of hacking, and the complete replacement of human hackers would require AI to master several uniquely human capabilities that currently remain firmly beyond its reach. The most formidable barrier to AI completely replacing human hackers lies in the creative, intuitive, and adaptive aspects of advanced hacking that defy algorithmic reduction. Elite hacking often resembles an art form as much as a science, requiring unconventional thinking, abstract problem-solving, and the ability to connect seemingly unrelated concepts, qualities that current AI systems struggle to replicate. Where AI excels at pattern recognition within defined parameters, human hackers thrive at thinking outside those parameters, entirely discovering novel attack vectors that security systems and security AIs haven't anticipated. The most devastating cyberattacks in history typically involved ingenious combinations of technical exploits with psychological manipulation, physical security breaches, and bureaucratic subterfuge, multidimensional strategies that current narrow AI systems can't conceptualize or coordinate. Social engineering provides a compelling case study. While AI can generate convincing phishing messages, the most successful social engineering attacks often rely on subtle human intuition, recognizing emotional states, improvising responses to unexpected reactions, and building genuine rapport that bypasses suspicion. Similarly, advanced persistent threats, APTs, frequently involve months of reconnaissance, patience, and strategic timing that reflect human judgment about when and how to strike for maximum impact. Nuanced decisions based on political context, organizational dynamics, and other factors that exist beyond the digital realm. The human hacker's ability to think like the enemy, anticipate defender psychology, and adapt tactics based on intangible factors creates a dimension of cyber conflict that AI may never fully replicate, especially in high-stakes scenarios where the rules can't be learned from training data because they haven't been written yet. The evolving relationship between AI and hackers is more likely to become symbiotic than substitutional, with AI augmenting human capabilities rather than replacing them entirely. Forward-thinking cybersecurity professionals already leverage AI as a force multiplier, using machine learning to handle routine tasks while focusing their human intellect on strategic oversight and creative problem-solving. In penetration testing, for instance, AI tools rapidly enumerate vulnerabilities, while human experts determine which attack paths offer the most strategic value based on business context that the AI doesn't understand. Malware developers use AI to generate polymorphic code variants that evade detection, but still rely on human guidance to ensure the malware achieves its operational objectives. Even in social engineering campaigns, while AI can generate initial phishing templates, human hackers refine the approaches based on cultural nuances and organizational specifics that AI might miss. This collaborative model suggests that rather than replacing hackers, AI will redefine the hacker's role, elevating the focus from technical execution to strategic oversight. Much like industrial automation, transformed factory workers from manual laborers to machine operators and technicians. The hackers who thrive in this AI-augmented future will be those who can effectively partner with artificial intelligence, directing its capabilities toward creative ends while providing the contextual understanding and ethical judgment that AI lacks. Ethical and legal constraints present another significant barrier to AI fully replacing human hackers, particularly in defensive cybersecurity roles. The decision-making involved in ethical hacking often requires nuanced moral judgments about vulnerability disclosure, responsible testing boundaries, and appropriate responses to discovered threats. Areas where AI's black box decision processes raise serious accountability concerns. When a human penetration tester discovers a critical vulnerability, they can exercise discretion about how to report it based on potential impact. An AI system might either recklessly disclose sensitive information or fail to recognize the vulnerability's true significance. Similarly, the legal frameworks governing cybersecurity and hacking activities were designed with human actors in mind, creating uncertainty about liability when AI systems autonomously discover and exploit vulnerabilities. These limitations suggest that even as AI takes on more technical aspects of hacking, human oversight will remain essential for ensuring ethical and legal compliance, particularly in sensitive environments like government security assessments or critical infrastructure protection. The psychological dimension of cybersecurity also favors human involvement. Organizations hit by breaches often want to interact with human experts who can empathize with their situation and explain complex issues in context-appropriate ways, not receive automated reports from emotionless algorithms. This human element of trust and communication represents another area where AI is unlikely to fully replace skilled cybersecurity professionals. The arms race between AI-powered offense and defense further complicates the replacement scenario, as both sides increasingly deploy artificial intelligence in an escalating cycle of adaptation. Defensive AI systems like intrusion detection algorithms and behavior analytics platforms learn to recognize and block AI-generated attacks, prompting attackers to develop more sophisticated AI that can evade those defenses, which in turn drives development of even more advanced protective measures. This dynamic creates a constantly shifting landscape where human insight remains valuable for understanding the broader strategic picture and making high-level decisions about resource allocation and risk management. History suggests that cybersecurity is fundamentally a human conflict conducted through digital means, and like all conflicts, it ultimately serves human objectives and reflects human values, factors that resist full automation. The most effective cybersecurity teams of the future will likely combine AI's unmatched speed and processing power with human creativity, intuition, and ethical judgment, creating hybrid systems where each component compensates for the other's limitations. This balanced approach acknowledges AI's transformative potential, while recognizing that hacking, at its core, involves understanding and outthinking human adversaries, a challenge that may always require a human touch. Rather than asking if AI will replace hackers, the more pertinent question may be how hackers will evolve to harness AI's power, while maintaining the human elements that make their skills indispensable in an increasingly automated world. The future of hacking isn't artificial intelligence replacing humans, but humans augmented by artificial intelligence working in concert to navigate an increasingly complex digital battlefield where both technical prowess and human insight remain essential for success.